Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to brew winter's delightful sun or solar rose flavored milk tea. But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions and presumptions and bestow us with clear knowledge of deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. 3 garden fresh roses, that is 1 rose per cup. So we'll be making 3 cups. So 2 of these desi rose and this is Victoria 2 rose. Now, dunk, soak, rinse and wash the roses well so that dust, sand, insects are removed. And while they soak, brewing or steeping glass pot or any common glass jar or jam bottle will also do. 2 parts or cups of water from any natural source. Petals of 3 garden fresh roses that we have taken. Black tea 3 teaspoons, as the ratio is 1 teaspoon per every cup. Now white or brown sugar or any natural sweetener can also be added, but I do not take it. Now add milk 1 cup. When done, now assemble and shut the pot with a diffuser in it. And now to set the pot in a place with ample amount of sunlight, like the terrace. Now set to stainless steel place to trap the hot air and serve as a stove or a heat source. Place the pot on it to brew and note the time and check the pot exactly after an hour. So back again on the terrace. Wow, look at that. The tea has already started to brew and beautiful. Now uncap and remove the lid and the diffuser. Now once done, set up a thermometer and stir the tea. As it is winters, the temperature achieved is just 30 degrees or 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Too low. Now recap the lid and let the tea brew for another hour. So after an hour, what does it look like now? There, better than before and better brewed too. Stir and place the thermometer once again. The temperature achieved now is 35 degrees centigrade or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Too low. It's very low. But remember it's winters. Now recap the lid and let the tea brew for another hour. Now after the hour, that's better and it is stronger and again well brewed. Now stir and place the thermometer once again. When done, it's just 40 degrees or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, temperature is very low. Remove the thermometer and recap the lid and let the tea brew for another hour. So, after an hour, there you are. That looks better. Look at that ring, white ring. Now stir and place the thermometer once again. Temperature is just 40 degrees or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, unchanged. The sun is now getting cooler, so it is better to remove the tea now and into the kitchen. Set the pot on the fire to heat and remove the diffuser if light or medium flavor of tea is desired. Now heat the tea. Allow the sun or solar brewed rose flavored milk tea to come to a boil. There, temperature is 100 degrees and there it's boiling. Switch off the heat and the flames and remove the pot. the tea is done, pour the sun or solar brewed rose flavored milk tea and serve and enjoy the solar sun brewed rose flavored tea with all you know.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.